Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're going to be cooking up that fresh fish we just caught yesterday. So I soaked it overnight in salt water and we're ready to fry her up. So this is how I do it. Stick around, check it out. Let's get cooking. Alright y'all, here's the fish that I got clean. All I did is scaled them out, took all the scales off, took the dorsal and the pectoral fins off, cut the heads out, gutted them. I did leave the tails on. That's how I like to do it. So I'm going to start out here, put a pretty heaping amount of flour on a paper plate here, kind of shake it around, and then I'm going to use some Tony's. This is the Creole seasoning. I just like it because it gives it a little bit of a kick. Just use your eye. What you think looks good. Take a fork. Just kind of mix that around. I think she needs a little more. Alright. Looks good to me. Now, these fish are kind of moist from after I soaked them in the salt water overnight. They still got a little bit of moisture on them. And all I do, just give them a good coating of that flour. Not trying to make a breading, just kind of get them floured up there a little bit. So, there's that. There's a carp. Sorry, it's a crappie, not a carp. I wouldn't eat carp. Roll them over, rub them down, pat them down, give them a little last massage there. Now this is a white bass. To my knowledge, I've never tried white bass. Everybody tells me it's good, so we're gonna give her a try. I'm always up for trying new meals and new foods and stuff. So get that tail all nice and coated. Back up there, nice and coated. There's that. We got one more piece of the crappie here. And I'm making a mess of my counter. And I want to thank Mark and Sandy from Twisted V Twin Garage for inviting me out yesterday for their daughter's 21st birthday. We spent it on the lake. So, I haven't been fishing in probably 5 or 6 years. Had a really good time. Enjoyed the company, enjoyed the fishing. It was awesome. So, alright, we got our fish coated there. We're going to go over to the stove here. I'm using vegetable oil in a frying pan. And you can use whatever you want. But I'm going to get this mess cleaned up, get that oil heated up, and we'll bring you all back. Alright, y'all. Got our oil nice and hot here. We're going to take a couple of these fillets here. We're going to lay them down in there just like that. Oh yeah, just going to let them cook up like that. And if you want, you can put a lid on here while you guys are watching. I'll just let them cook like this. Cook for a couple minutes on each side. Just till it's done. I can't tell you exactly when your fish is going to be done. I'll cook them until I see it start browning around the edges and see the tail starting to brown. So, that's the best I can tell you on it. And you can flip them around back and forth if you want. I'll just let mine cook. So, all right. You guys don't need to sit here and watch us cook like this, so I'm going to stop the camera, get them cooked up, and bring you back. Alright y'all, these two pieces here have been cooking on their side for about 2 minutes or so. So we're going to get in here and see if we can't flip them over. Ooh, getting nice and brown, nice and brown. Oh yeah. Alright. Now I like mine a little dunner than that, color wise, so we're going to let them cook on this side here for a couple minutes. Then we'll flip them back over. And I'll keep flipping them back and forth until they're cooked to the consistency that I like. So bring you back when we're closer to being ready to have these ones done. Alright y'all, I've done flipped these once or twice here. Way I kind of check, and this ain't a foolproof method or anything, to see if they're done or not, I take a fork, and if it will go in there nice and easy, then they're done. Now this one here has a little bit more resistance to it, so we'll probably cook it a little longer. So, but you know, as long as that meat's white and flaky, you know, it should be done. So I can tell you, you know, try at your own risk. These cooking videos are just for pure entertainment only. If you guys want to try some of the stuff that I'm cooking, please do. But, you know, be safe about your food safety. So, alright, enough PSA. I'm going to cook these a little longer. We'll get those other two in here and get them cooked up. Alright, y'all. You can see on here, these are nice golden brown on that side. And that fork goes in there real nice and easy. Oh yeah. Yep. These are done. So we're going to pull them out. Put them on a waiting paper plate here that has some paper towel on it. So finish draining that oil off there. These things are still slippery and want to get away. Man. Alright. Take our last two pieces here. Lay them down in there. Oh yeah. Alright. I'm going to get these cooked up and we'll do our little taste test. Alright y'all. Always seems like as you go along and cook, it gets better and better. These are really nice and brown. Let's flip these things over here and see if, oh yeah, look at that side. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I know these are done. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. I'm going to take these off. We're going to let them cool just a few minutes. Then we'll do our taste test. Alright y'all. Here's the finished product. Got our nice fish here. This is the white bass over here. A couple crappie there on top. So we're going to do our taste test. Now, myself, I might put a little bit of lemon juice on it, or one of my favorites is a little Frank's Red Hot, and every once in a while I do put a little sriracha on them. Just all fish, not just this. So, alright, let's get to tasting. Alright y'all, first taste of this here, fresh fish. So, I'm going to peel a little bit off here. Whoop. Dropped it. This is the crappie. So, that is so sweet. Oh. This fish is caught less than 24 hours ago. So, well, about 24 hours ago. It's in the afternoon here. So, yeah, this is awesome. So, I'm gonna try a little bit of this white bass now. Get that opened up there. Get that skin broke. Get it out of my way. It's just flaking all apart. Alright, there's the white bass. That's pretty good too. Not as sweet as the crappie, but it does have a really nice flavor to it. I like it. Maybe next time when I'm out fishing, if I catch them, I'll keep a couple instead of throwing them back. I usually just throw them back. Nice to catch, nice to, you know, reel in and everything, but, you know, just I never tried it before. So, but Crappie is one of my favorites, along with the bluegill. You know, I like some fresh catfish and stuff too, but crappie are my go-to. I really like the crappie. So, all right, y'all, there you have it. How I cook fresh caught fish. Like I said, these were caught 24 hours ago. Delicious flavor and everything in these. If you have never tried fresh caught fish, grab you a fishing pole, some fishing license, or find somebody that goes fishing all the time. Go out with them, hang out. It's a great time on the lake, even if you're not fishing. You know, just get out there and enjoy yourself. You know, I had a great time with Mark and Sandy and their daughter Kaylee and Kyle. You know, and Bo and his girl showed up later on in the day. Great time, awesome. Couldn't ask for a better day. So, hey, thank you all for watching. Appreciate it. Remember, hit that like button. Leave me a comment, and if you're not new to the channel, please subscribe. Get all the videos we do here. If you guys like this kind of content, let me know. We can do some more content, fishing content and stuff like that. My other videos, you know, the mechanical videos where we work on tractors and cars and everything else. If you like that, give me a comment on them too. Like, you know, thank y'all. We're almost at 2,200 subscribers. My mind's going. I never thought when I started this channel that it would amount to anything. You guys are proving me wrong. Great supporters, great community. Thank you all again, and hopefully we'll catch you all on the next one. As always, bon appetit.